you know what, I don't know. Right now, I'm confused. I can't cruise and fed up.
Hey guys, well, it's here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, yesterday, Jamaica, we recorded the first case of coronavirus here. And so, as you can imagine, it caused some anxiety. I'm in the street trying to get the feedback and views from the general public.
Well, my take is that I think it was here long before, but they were just waiting on an imported case to inform us. And my reason for saying that, you will hear how quickly the numbers go up.
Oh.
Yes.
What do you think we can do to protect ourselves?
The basic hand washing and keeping your space and yourself clean, taking care of your family by doing best practices, washing the hands, cover your nose and mouth if you have a cough or sneeze, and all of that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Well, surprising to say I heard that she came here and got it.
Oh, really?
That's what I heard. Something I saw on Facebook this morning.
Oh, how do you think we can protect ourselves?
Well, just practice proper hygiene, washing hands and sneeze in your clothes or in a rag. Something like that, you know. Think about others, not yourself.
Thank you. So you work here. What are you seeing since morning? What are the people?
Buying gloves and sanitizer, peroxide, and a lot of things. So
Okay. You have adequate supplies?
everything is finished right now. I don't have anything else.
Oh, everything finished?
Some people have more than this, so we need one.
The sales rep just called me. KG, sanitizer raised. Did you want it still? I said I need it because people need it.
Now $50. Eh? Come on, man. Well, you know what, I don't know. Right now, I'm confused. I can't cruise and fed up. I just say, my ear say a Chinese make it, and now we backfire upon them. That me the ear. And we end up get caught up in it.
How do you think we can prepare ourselves?
The necessary things what we used to do. We used to wash our hands the right and proper way. We have to just continue to do that. Use the bleach and use everything. Anything what we do, clean. We just continue clean, we self-clean, we house and everything same way.
Thank you.
You know, come to get nothing, you know, I'm going to come to buy sitting reminiscing everything at school because if you pick it, younger God Almighty alone can stop it. No Prime Minister, nobody can stop it. But if you don't catch it, you're not catch it.
So did you get the item you bought? You went to buy?
No.
Oh, you finished?
Yeah,
Oh, what was that?
sanitizer.
Okay. All right. What about the prices? You heard about is there the price
Then double
movement?
the price them. All 3 times, then double up the price them.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
I think it's a personally I think it's a man-made disease. And I think that if the government is serious and can control the inflow of people coming into Jamaica, then they can curb it. Because as we all know, it's in 70 countries. So it's going to be, it's almost impossible to stop it from coming.
You know it's here, right?
Yeah, it's almost because it's imported.
It's in Kingston.
It's in Kingston, right? But what I'm saying is more to come, because if that one could come in and being diagnosed with it now, who's to tell more? You know, so if the government is serious enough to curtail it, like you see what happened in Italy. Italy has shut down the whole of Italy, the whole of the country.
All right. So how you see other individual parents and children who can protect ourselves?
Well, by just being cautious.
A while ago I went into the place there to buy some battery and everybody inside is stocking up.
And battery?
No man, stocking up for sanitizer and everything for the virus. So Jamaican people take it serious.
Okay. All right. What do you think we can do different or better?
All you have to do is pray to the Lord. Just pray. Just pray.
Thank you.
It's a big risk on us, but we have to take precaution of what's going on. But we have to do the major stuff.
Like what?
Sanitize, disinfectant, anything they required for us. We just have to be on the safe side.
You work with customers?
Yes, I do. I'm a sales representative.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Well, so far everybody just escape and then hear the name, you know, but the Bible is don't tell about these days.
Yeah.
So when these things are signs of redemption is joining, and all we have to do look up and seek Him.
Yeah.
But the time when they take by sanitizer, we can't help them Lysol, we can't help them read them Bible and pray and draw closer to God. That's the only thing can help we. We have to draw closer to God. That can't help it. Lysol sanitizer, that can't help a waste of time.
So my friends, feedback from the public on the coronavirus in Jamaica. What's your take on it? I'd love to hear from you. Share a comment below. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you'll stay updated on all things Jamaican.